Here is the recipe for a walnut crusted chicken with mixed veggies, whole grain, black beans, and healthy oil. Again, these ingredients will support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of arteriosclerosis by tasting the rainbow. When you taste the rainbow, you increase your ingestion of eating a wide variety of different phytochemicals. So let's get ready to get started. So let's cook this amazing dish that will support a healthy heart. All right, let's get started. Yes, welcome to TKA, Test Kitchen Assignment. And we're going to address one of the biggest health issues here in the United States. Guess what that is? Cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer in America. And how do you address that? By tasting the rainbow. So I'm going to cook a walnut crusted chicken with different mixed veggies and fruit and healthy oil. So how do you taste the rainbow? So let's start with different phytochemicals. #1 is quercetin and Allicin. Again, you find that in garlic and you find it in onions. It's a great antioxidant, it's an anti-inflammatory, and it helps protect the heart. 2, in carrots, which is beta carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant, which is going to help protect the heart. 3 is lycopene. Lycopene, again, you find that in tomatoes, and it's a powerful antioxidant. And finally, the power greens. The power greens are kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. And what do they have? Glucosinates and leutins. Again, what does that do? It's going to help reduce blood pressure, and it's going to help reduce cardiovascular disease. So let me show you some of the ingredients, what I just talked about. So here, again, are the power greens. Again, they have glucosinates and they have leutin. All right. Here we have carrots, which have beta carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant. Yeah, here we got garlic, which has quercetin and allicin. And we have tomatoes, which has, again, a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. So again, by tasting the rainbow, it's going to help reduce cardiovascular disease, and it's going to help you live longer. So I'm about to get ready to cook all these great ingredients together. So hey, are you ready for this? Let's begin. So here is the final meal. Walnut crusted chicken with mixed veggies, whole grain, black beans, and fruit. A lot going on this plate, but let me explain it a little bit. So you got spinach, tomatoes, carrots, celery, pineapple, quinoa, brown rice, black beans, which are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and polyphenols, which will help lower oxidative stress, improve lipid profile, and reduce inflammation, which are all key drivers are arteriosclerosis. Again, the black beans and the whole grain, the quinoa and brown rice, are strongly associated with reduced coronary heart disease, with evidence showing consistent inverse relationships and meaningful reduction of cardiovascular events due to improved glucose regulation and cholesterol levels. Now, the walnut and olive oil will provide unsaturated fats,
which are linked to decrease LDL cholesterol and reduce cardiovascular disease risk when replacing saturated fats. And finally, the evidence for nuts, veggies, fruits, beans, and whole grain are both strong and highly consistent, showing significant reduction in cardio health disease outcomes across many studies. Also, the chicken breast, which is a lean white meat, has a neutral association with atherosclerosis risk when consumed in moderation, making it a healthier protein option compared to red or processed meat. Overall, this recipe aligns closely with evidence-based dietary patterns, emphasizing plant-based food and healthy fats, which are consistently associated with reduced arteriosclerosis risk and improved cardiovascular outcomes. Yes, great recipe that's going to support a healthy heart. Again, a lot going on this plate. Now it's time for me to eat. Enjoy. Let's get a close up. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at all that good stuff. Yeah, look at all that.